everybody with this house, and you're used to being a bachelor, and now you've got me and the kids and the responsibilities of this house. Come here. Yeah, touch it right here. Hello?
Look at that.
I think so.
Get that thing away from me. Come on.
Hello. Come on, Jimmy. Yes, I showed him.